Welcome back to Car Compass. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Tamaraw Utility Van Long Wheelbase, LWB, a vehicle that blends practicality with robust performance. Designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses and large families, the Tamaraw LWB stands out in the utility van segment. The 2025 Toyota Tamaraw LWB is powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, delivering 148 horsepower and 343 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a balance between power and fuel efficiency. The vehicle's dimensions are 5,303 millimeters in length, 1,795 millimeters in width, and 2,097 millimeters in height, providing ample space for passengers and cargo. It comfortably accommodates up to 14 passengers, making it ideal for group transport or commercial use. The Tamaraw LWB's design emphasizes functionality. Its spacious interior is complemented by foldable bench seats and a rear air conditioning system, ensuring passenger comfort during long journeys. The inclusion of grab rails enhances safety, especially when the vehicle is in motion. The exterior features a sturdy build with 195 R14C steel tires that are durable and suitable for various road conditions. In terms of performance, the Tamaraw LWB's diesel engine offers a commendable balance of power and efficiency. The manual transmission provides drivers with control over gear shifts, which is particularly beneficial when navigating diverse terrains. The vehicle's suspension system, comprising an independent double wishbone at the front and leaf springs at the rear, ensures a stable and comfortable ride, even when fully loaded. The 2025 Toyota Tamaraw LWB is available in the Philippines with a starting price of 1,142,000 Cuban pesos. This competitive pricing positions it as an attractive option for businesses and individuals seeking a reliable utility van. The vehicle is offered in several configurations to cater to different needs, including dropside and aluminum cargo variants. Each variant is designed to meet specific requirements, from transporting goods to accommodating passengers. For those interested in exploring the Tamaraw LWB further, Toyota's official Philippine website provides detailed specifications and options. Additionally, local dealerships offer test drives and personalized consultations to help potential buyers make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this overview of the 2025 Toyota Tamaraw Utility Van LWB. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to Car Compass for more insights into the latest automotive releases.